Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden. Sorry for the long wait on the uploads. I actually uploaded the video a couple days ago, but I got really scared that I was going to get copyright striked because I was using Aston Martin's clips, and so I was like, ooh, that's a sketchy one, so I actually deleted it. But it was British cars, top 10s, but it wasn't that interesting. A lot of guys didn't really watch it anyway, so I don't think it's that big a deal. But today we're doing another rating my followers, subscribers, followers, whatever, cars, okay? We only got like 6 this time though, so if you want your car to be featured in the next one, please, by all means, send me a DM on Instagram at ss.marquis, and I will 100% review your car. Also, guys, you know I had to do it to them. It's about to be summertime. It's getting warm outside. If you want yourself shirts, shorts, or a hat, head on over to www.smoothstance.com/shop to pick yourself up one and support the channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. Let's get right into the video. All right, first up we got Will Duchet. He said it's his first car. It's a 2010 Jetta 2.5 liter 5-speed manual. The only mod so far is lowering springs, but I plan on adding a cold air intake and catback exhaust, along with probably some gold BBS style wheels with slightly lower offset. Gold wheels, buddy, I'm gonna be honest with you, gold wheels might not be the move, okay? Gold wheels are hard to pull off. I don't think people overestimate how hard it is to pull off gold wheels, okay? Like, everybody thinks like, oh, gold wheels look sick. Yes, they do look sick on very certain cars. I'm just warning you. I mean, maybe it'll look good. I could be wrong, and you can go ahead and prove me wrong. I would be happy to see you prove me wrong. But in my personal opinion, they usually don't look that great. But anyway, it's a Mark V Jetta. Who doesn't love it? It's a manual. It's got a 2.5 turbo, I think, right? That's the turbo one. No, it ain't. Is it? I don't know. I might be wrong there, but still, it's a fun car. It's a great first car. Like, oh God, I'm dying. It's a great first car. So I got to give you props there. Like, you made a good choice for a first car. But it's mainly bone stock. Like, let's be honest. But you did just get it. But yeah, I mean, it's stock. There's not much really else to say about it. It's all right, though. I like it. One thing I would keep on it, by the way, is... oh, keep the freaking chrome grill. I hate when people take chrome grills away from cars. It just looks tacky. The one thing I would change on it is... I don't know, the color. I don't like silver. Silver's boring. All right, next up, we got Finn Pearson. This one's going to be fast because he only sent me one picture, and I hate people that do that. So, Finn, eat dookie. But he has a freaking 350Z Roadster with a duck bill. I don't know anything else. It definitely has aftermarket wheels, actually, now that I look at it better. But that's all I know about this dude's car. And let me see if I can look at his account. No, I can't. He has that one single picture. Okay, so yeah, this guy, I mean, it didn't send me any pictures. So, thanks a lot, Finn. One thing I would keep on your car are the wheels. Those wheels kind of go hard. The one thing I would change is the freaking duckbill placement. It looks weird. Like, you got to bring it down a little bit more. Next up is Grayson Delange. I don't know, man. But it's another Volkswagen, by the way. I don't know if this is a Jetta or a Passat or whatever, but it looks to me like a Jetta. And he does say that it's just bone stock. He just wanted me to give it a quick little review. I think it does have window tints though, buddy. So don't, if here's the deal. If you don't have a lot of mods, say the tiny mods. Sorry, my phone's ringing right now, so I apologize for that. But if you don't have a lot of mods done to your car, count everything, because then it gives you a little bit of a longer list, and you can be like, oh yeah, I got this done on it, I got this done on it. But I mean, I like it. It's, once again, I think this is probably your daily driver. It makes sense. And it's a good daily driver. I wouldn't tell you to modify this thing heavily. Can someone pick up the phone? I wouldn't tell you to modify this thing heavily. And I do like the car though. I mean, is it a Passat? It is a Passat. Okay, it's a Volkswagen Passat. But it's nice. I mean, do a little bit more, but don't go overboard for sure, because it is a good daily driver. Oh, one thing I would keep on it, by the way, my bad. One thing I would keep is the tints. One thing I would change is the ride height. You can get away with lowering your car. Come on, people, lower your car. All right, next up, we got Elboyet, 2003. He's got a 2003 Mazda Protege. And it looks clean. It's, first of all, by the way, it's a wagon Protege, which is sick. And second, I just want to put this out here real quick. Proteges are underrated as all hell. And also, he does have a couple things done. K-Sport coilovers, Toyota 8.6 front sway bar end links, AWR adjustable rear end links, Mazda Speed Protege wheels. He said he's only had this car for about 5 months, and I was chasing a sound that we didn't figure out till... oh, he was chasing a sound in the car trying to figure out what it was. But, so it's a start, but it's actually a really good start. These cars look good if you just keep them, like, nice, man. You don't got to go overboard with this. And, like, this car, like, if I saw it driving down the road, I probably wouldn't think twice. But when I see, like, pictures of it, you have to sit there and appreciate the simplicity about it. Like, I like this thing, man. It's nice. And you have done very little to it, I will say that. But at least you haven't riced it out. And the one thing I would keep on it, by the way, is the color. That color is beautiful. It's a really nice blue, and I don't usually like blue. And the one thing I would change on it is the ride height. You said you have K-Sport coilovers, and I understand you might be going for a more functional type of deal, but you can definitely lower that a little bit more, make it look a little bit better. Just gonna put that out there. All right, for the remainder of this video, we're going to be going over a couple of my real life friends' cars. And first up is Zach in his freaking Turbo Miata. No, they didn't really tell me to do this, so I hope they don't get mad that I review their cars without their permission. But who cares, baby? We're reviewing their cars. Zach has got a Turbo Miata that he's actually looking to sell, so if you're interested in buying it, hit him up on Instagram at ZexyZach, or no, it's actually at Anti-Yada. Now he keeps changing his name. It's confusing as shit. But also he has a truck now too. Just want to put that out there. I like the truck. I do like the truck, but I love the Miata. I don't know why he's selling it. I kind of cry a little bit about it whenever I think about it. But if I were you, Zach, I would keep this thing. It is so cool. Also, for some reason, I remember at first when you started wrapping this thing Nardo Gray, it looked kind of weird with the white hood. But over time, I've fallen in love with it. It's just the Miata. You know, it has that white hood. It's just perfect. It's just everything great about it. Also, this thing is rowdy as all hell. It's quite unreliable, but it's rowdy as all hell. It doesn't go fast at a top speed wise, but it accelerates incredibly fast, and it's awesome. The one thing I would change about it, but you actually did change about it, were the wheels. I loved the wheels, but at the same time, they were just they're too meaty for my personal taste. Okay, I like a little bit of stretch on those puppies, but you did change them, and your new wheels look nice. And the one thing I would keep on it is the Nardo Gray, but to be honest, I think I still would wrap the whole car Nardo Gray. I don't know. All right, next up is Ben and his E46, another one of my friends. And Ben already kind of knows how I feel about, obviously my friends already know about how I feel about their cars, but Ben, your E46 is goals, okay? Everything, you took a car that is usually just looks boring and made it just look nice. It's just so nice. It isn't riced out. It's not doing too much. It isn't also the cleanest E46 on the planet, sure, but it just works. It just looks good. Obviously a paint match front bumper would make it look a little bit better, and a couple more things here and there I think you could do to make this thing just look bad AF, you know. One thing, actually, the main thing that I would change, if I had your car, the first thing I would change on it is the fitment. I would just add some spacers. I do actually like the wheels. The wheels are nice, but I would just the fitment's a little wonky. I would just add some spacers. I know everybody's like, oh, spacers suck. Eat dookie, okay? They look cool, all right? So add some spacers, make your fitment better. But the one thing I would keep on it is the halos and the clear side markers. I love clear side markers on BMWs. Ambers just look kind of boring to me. I don't like them. They don't fit with the car. But Ben, your E46 is awesome. I love the color too. The color is just so mwah, mwah. I'd give the color a big old smooch on the lips if I could. And I love BMW as a whole. Everything about it is just really cool, man. So great job on your build. I love your BMW. You got a little bit of work to go, to be honest with you, but it's a great start. It's awesome. All right, and last but certainly not least, I actually saved the best for last because I just loved this car too freaking much when I saw it. Oh my goodness gracious. It gives me the heebie-jeebies when I look at this freaking thing. It's Kevin Garcia at 1JZ Kevo, and he has a freaking 1J Lexus SC300, baby, and the thing is absolutely slammed on the ground. Color is freaking beautiful. These cars in general are always just gorgeous. The body kit just looks so crisp. Everything, the headlights are nice and clean. It's a really clean example of a car. I really hope it's a manual. I don't know if it's a manual or not. It doesn't really give me a build list, but everything about it just makes me happy. Also, I guarantee it's bagged, but at the same time, I wouldn't be surprised if it was static. And if it's static, dude, I just love it, okay? I just love everything about this car. This freaking SCs in general are just beautiful, 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 beautiful cars. He just made it even better. I just didn't even think it was possible, but he did it. The one thing I would change, though, and yes, there is one thing that I do not like on this car, is the freaking blast pipes. Okay, I just never liked blast pipes. I think they look so just awful. But the one thing I would keep on it is the car itself, dude. Okay, it's just perfect. It's just damn near perfect. I don't know what's going on in the most recent picture. You got a mismatched bumper and some pinstripes and stuff going on there. I don't know what's going on there, but everything else is just amazing. Love the car. All right, but that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content similar to this one. Also, make sure to send your car into the Instagram DMs if you want to see it in the next video, because I'm running low. The supply is low, baby, and I like doing this series. I know you guys like watching it, so come on. Share it to your friends. Tell your friends to send in their cars. Come on, I need more cars to review, boys. I need more. Today I was short. I had to get my friends' cars in there. So come on now. We gotta do this better. Come on. Also, let me know what kind of videos do you guys want to see, because I need content ideas because I'm running out now. So, and also I have a new channel, but you guys already know that, so I'm not gonna even tell you. But if you want to, it's going to be at the top of the description. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Das Vidania. Have a nice night.